today we're here at TeamLab Planets in Tokyo.
And we're also going to check out Akihabara, which is like the video game tech culture here in Tokyo, Japan. Hi everyone, my name's Cheno.
And I'm Alex.
And welcome to Cheno and Alex.
So today we're here at TeamLab Planets in Tokyo, which we will show you really soon.
And we're also going to check out Akihabara, which is like the video game tech culture here in Tokyo, Japan. They're entering now. Let's go. Are you expecting anything from this Team Labs?
A little bit, because I saw some photos and videos of the light fixtures and all that stuff.
Cool. Because I honestly forgot everything I've watched like online. It's just been a crazy 2 days so far, so make sure you're subscribed. Watch the previous couple of videos. But yeah, I kind of don't know what to expect anymore. Totally forgot, but I'm very excited for this one. Alright you guys, so there's a few rules. One is we have to take our shoes off, so I took my shoe. No, I'm kidding, this is Alex's. But we have to just go barefoot or with socks. So we've got lockers right here. I think we're going to check out the water area first. Let's go. Alright, so far we're pretty dry. I managed to pull up my, let me feel it. Yeah, not bad. Okay, you can wear your long trousers, long pants, as long as you can pull it up a little bit. We're about to go in like a massive bedroom. It looks difficult to walk. I'll give it a go.
We really can't tell this. Oh shit! I just fell in.
Just bump up that ISO.
Oh my gosh, that's so difficult to walk on. Oh sh**. Oh sh**. I don't know what he's saying.
Guys, it's been very tricky filming. It's so dim.
So dark.
Actually, it's dark.
It's like a room filled with beanbags.
Yeah.
And you just keep rolling.
Yeah, it feels like you're running on wet sand, like sand in the beach, and you're just sinking every step.
Just keep rolling.
And you gotta lift your feet.
There's a guy underneath you that just keeps rolling who didn't film it. It's so dark in this. I'm so sorry. This TeamLab Planets is just a lot of interaction. So we were just in the beanbag area, and so the space moves as it molds on your body. So that's what that part was. And next is, I'm not sure, but it's just red lights. So let's see.
This is unreal.
We're in the twinkling lights.
Let's go.
Oh my god!
This is absolutely unreal.
Oh my goodness, this is so cool.
It's so trippy, you guys. I'm not even gonna talk to the lens because I want to see this with my own eyes. This is so trippy.
No way. Oh
no friggin' way.
This is so nice. Wow.
Whoa. I feel like I'm Interstellar, my favorite movie of all time. Oh my gosh.
This is crazy. Look up behind me. I'm like twinkling.
This is nuts. This is crazy. We're gonna keep exploring and walking around. Wow, you guys.
So we're literally just sitting down here, and there's actually a lot of people that are just sitting down. I'm honestly teary-eyed. I feel like I'm in the stars. This is so beautiful being here.
Yeah, it's jaw-dropping, you guys. This feels like if you've watched Interstellar, my favorite movie of all time. It's like the event horizon when you get past a black hole, and it's hard to explain.
I just feel like I'm in the stars. Like that's it. So
Oh my
nice.
goodness, you definitely have to come here in TeamLab Planets.
That was truly spectacular.
Yeah,
These lights, I know they're lights, but they feel so surreal just being here.
it's incredible.
Yeah, it's just water for now.
It's like lukewarm.
It's lukewarm. And it's not as high. You just need to tiptoe a little bit if you don't want to get wet. So there are kois everywhere, but they're just lights, and we're in water right now.
The water's very hazy, isn't it?
Yeah, it's very hazy actually.
I guess that's how they project these imagery on the water. It looks amazing behind you right now. Like the lighting. Yeah.
Let's go.
So we seem to be in a place where there's these huge balloons. They're above you, they're beside you. It's so cool, you guys. Apparently you can touch them or tap them, so.
That's cool, babe. That looks really good.
Oh, it's moving.
There's a boy there.
It's on the loose. Is there someone inside? Oh. This is so cool. It's just so bubbly. There's not much you can do but just push this around.
Massive.
Yeah.
We'll bring this to the ocean.
Yeah, the
We'll be
kids are
good.
just like smashing it. It's so funny.
Let's get up.
Is this even the way to get out? Oh yeah, okay, it is. So Alex here's just laying down. Very hard to see, but look at that. I feel like I'm moving, just looking down. This is crazy.
Okay, so we're gonna go to the second part, which is the gardens. So we were just at the water, garden next.
So we've made it to the garden, and it just reminds me of Alien vs Predator, or the Aliens movie, like the eggs and stuff.
Yeah.
And there's so many of them. Are we allowed to touch it? It moves. There's something inside.
Touching it?
Yeah, I did. See? Like, they move and stuff. But that's about it. So.
This is cool here.
It's so cool.
Oh, this is the plants area. Oh my god.
Some more mirrors, guys. But this time with light. Oh, whoa.
They're moving.
This is so cool. I like how there's more light this time. It's pretty cool, you guys, because the plants actually like
Moving.
go up and down.
Yeah.
And sorry, the music is very loud here. It's part of the experience. It's pretty awesome. Look at that.
Yeah, so that's the end of the experience here at TeamLab Planets. I really enjoyed it. I highly recommend you come here. Just the Buddha part was just amazing, and the lights.
And then the lights, oh
it's
my
just so
gosh.
immersive.
They took it to the next level, huh?
It is so good. I highly recommend coming here. And if you have kids, that's even better. They're gonna love the lights. They're gonna love all these things that they're gonna see here at the TeamLab Planets. So make sure you bring your kids. Anyone can come and just enjoy the space.
So it's actually been a few days now, guys.
And it's Halloween night, so I've decided to wear a costume tonight. I'm wearing this Snow White outfit that I've actually had for a couple of years.
For a couple of years now.
So I've just decided to re-wear it here in Japan.
And today we're going to be exploring Akihabara because it's known for its video game, tech, and all that kind of stuff that we want to explore here in Japan. And we're actually going to meet a few special guests that you may have seen on this channel, so we're so excited to show you them. Let's go around and let's explore Akihabara.
So we're just walking around here in Akihabara, and you can definitely see that there's so much billboards of anime. So if you're an anime lover, this is your land. You gotta make sure you come and check out Akihabara. And we also saw some gaming stuff. So
yeah, there's a bit of gaming here, laptops, video games in general. So I think we want to explore.
Yeah, we're gonna go check out a few stores so that you can actually see what it's like as well.
Look at that.
So much.
It's like arcades, huh?
Yeah.
Yo.
One play is 100 yen, which is about $1.
Yeah, that's not bad.
Not too bad. But do we want to try?
let's walk around and see what's like worth collecting or
trying.
winning. Yeah. Because there's too many options.
Oh my gosh, it's so bright in here.
Yeah, it is.
So there's a lot of claw cranes. There's 3 levels of claw crane. That is crazy.
Holy moly, that's a lot.
But there's a lot of other stuff as well.
Yeah,
so they got arcades.
Like racing games.
Yeah. Music, retro. That'd be so cool.
Oh, let's check that out, huh?
Yeah, and then cafe, I guess.
Cool.
But yeah, let's try the retro game.
Yeah,
I think that's something that we want to see.
Guys, I hope you can hear me, but I think this might be my favorite floor. We're not on the retro gaming yet. I think this is like sort of classic arcades. So there's actually racing, there's like Tekken and stuff. I don't play that, but this looks fun. Let's take a look around. So I can already see the racing game that we always play back in Australia. I think it's called Initial D. I'm not too sure. I think that's a movie too, but it's from Japan. And so this is so fun. We always get competitive. I'll see if I'll play it because the guys here are too good and I don't want to get showed up.
Retro.
What do you mean?
It smells in here.
Oh, yo. Look at this. Look at all these like old school racing games. Oh my god. I think I played something similar to these on the PC back in the days. Like, it was called Marvel vs. Capcom.
and they had Marvel characters and even characters from Street Fighter. These were kind of the fighting games I played with my cousins growing up. Oh my goodness.
Guys, we totally scrapped the idea of staying at Akihabara because we wanted to meet with our friends that we always travel with when we go to the Philippines.
Yes, so I'm gonna introduce to you who we're with right now. We're with Janet and our big friends from the Philippines. And as you guys,
We're in Tokyo together. That's
I know it's so crazy.
Oh, hi. We back.
We also got Jan's brother next to him.
It's Zah's birthday tomorrow, so we're celebrating tonight. We're actually here at Roppongi now, at Hard Rock Cafe.
But yeah, so we're just gonna eat, and this is how we're gonna end our. No, this is not how we're gonna end our night. Maybe I'll show you what we'll do next in the next clip. But for now, we're gonna eat our food and just enjoy our company together.
How does it feel to be 45?
Like 52.
He's so ready.
Not knowing what it was, your heart is over, and in your eyes. Alright you guys, it's now the next day, and we actually didn't film an outro last night because I just wanted to put the camera away and just celebrate our time with our friends because we don't get to spend that much time with them, and it's crazy how we're all in one place. We were in Tokyo together.
Right now we're actually in Kyoto. So the next coming vlogs are gonna be here in Kyoto. We're gonna be exploring it. So make sure you subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Also turn on your post notifications bell so you get notified when we post our next Japan vlogs.
Alright you guys, we'll see you in the next vlog.
Bye!
Bye.